Good morning! I would like to share to you my Spanish microwave omelette. So here are the ingredients: 1 tablespoon butter, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 1/3 cup of chopped green pepper, 1 cup tomato sauce or tomatoes with bits, and of course the 2 eggs. And lastly, the microwavable omelette maker. Thanks to my sister Jem who gave this to me last Christmas. Here's the procedure. Put the butter into the omelette maker and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Remove the omelette maker from the microwave and make sure to mix the butter. Combine onions and green bell pepper with the butter. Then cook it in a microwave for 30 seconds. Remove it and this time combine the tomatoes. Put the omelette maker in the microwave for 30 seconds. Make sure that your egg mixture has a pepper and salt to taste. And this time combine the beaten eggs. Put the omelette maker in the microwave for 1 minute. Open and check because for sure it is still half cooked. Cook it again in the microwave for another minute. This time, it should be cooked.
Let's check. Luto na lahat.
Enjoy eating this omelette with a wheat bread filled with strawberry jam, a green and tomato salad, and a cup of hot milk. Enjoy! Do you have any other omelette recipe that you would like to share?